Hi, my name is Brock and welcome to the USU Testing Center. The USU Testing Center is found on the south side of the Merrill Kazir Library, just in front of the Huntsman School of Business. It is open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and Saturdays from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Scheduling a test is really easy. Simply log on to testing.usu.edu, click on Schedule an Exam, choose the Logan Testing Center, enter your course and exam, and when you want to reserve your testing spot. Once you enter the USU Testing Center, proctors will be close by, ready to help you check in for your test. Thanks to tuition, test costs $0 if you are a USU student. However, if you are not currently enrolled at Utah State, you will have to pay an upfront fee of $10 to use it for the day. Please make sure that you turn off all cell phones, put away all watches, and come ready with your student ID and any other materials you may need to test. Headphones are also available for those who enjoy listening to music while they take their exams. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to call the Testing Center at 435-797-3617.